Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're starting with the simplest, fastest option, a USB keyboard in docked mode. Plug the keyboard into any USB port on the dock, then power on the switch and open a chat or profile name field to test. Once done, type slowly at first to verify key mapping. If keys act odd, try the other USB port or a powered USB hub. Make sure the keyboard is standard USB HID class, so the console recognizes it immediately without extra drivers. If you want wireless, use a Nintendo-compatible Bluetooth keyboard or a third-party USB wireless adapter designed for Switch. Plug the adapter into the dock or, for handheld, use a USB-C OTG adapter and the keyboard's receiver. Once connected, press the adapter's pairing button and observe the LED blink. On the keyboard, enter pairing mode as instructed. After pairing, test text entry in a message box. This works because adapters translate standard HID signals into what the Switch accepts, so compatibility matters. Finish by learning where the keyboard works. Most system text fields, profile edits, and some games accept external input, but not every app supports it. If input lags or stops, reboot the console first, then replug or repair the keyboard. Make sure the dock and any adapter firmware are up to date. One key troubleshooting tip: if keys still fail, test the keyboard on a PC to rule out hardware faults before swapping adapters or changing switch settings. This quickly isolates the problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.